Namaste students, welcome to our social science class. I hope you are doing well and are healthy and safe. In the previous block, we learned about family relationships. We understood the lesson well and we remember the concepts. To recall, we learned about the values that we learn from our family members and how a marriage in a family is a time for celebration. The excitement, the special food, the guests, relatives, the gathering, how a new member is added to a family after the wedding, or a member from our family might leave our family to join another family. We understood the relationship between a mother and a child in the third topic, the birth of a child. We remember that the birth of a child in a family increases the responsibilities of the family members and also brings happiness in the family. And the last topic that we learned in block 1 was how we should care for the elderly, sick, and the disabled. We remember every part of the lesson. So, let's come to our today's lesson. Today's lesson is work we do. Okay? Work we do. This is block 2, content book. You find this lesson in page 9. In this lesson, we are going to learn many things, but in today's topic is about men and women do different kinds of jobs to earn a living. Yes, every day we see men and different women working, doing different jobs. Why do people do jobs? People work, they do different kinds of jobs to earn a living. What is the meaning of earn a living? The work which people do to get a salary or get money, this is called as to earn a living. So in today's class, we will learn about people doing different jobs. Right, students? All of you open your content book to textbook page number 10, different jobs. So even the lesson is also on your screen. You can see it. People do different jobs to earn money. We depend on these people who are doing the jobs for our needs. What is this? Did you understand? Every day we use so many things. Maybe the milk packet or the biscuit packet or the vegetables or the food grains, the TV, the doors, the clothes, so many things. Now students, tell me, is it possible for a single person to make this all? Milk the cow, take care of the cow, milk it and collect the milk, grow the vegetable all by ourselves, make the biscuits or grow the food grains. Can we make the furniture on our own? No, it is not possible for a single person to do all these different jobs. That is the reason we take help of other people doing different jobs. Even in our family also we have seen elders doing different jobs. People learn important skills that help them to do these jobs. What are skills? Skill is the ability to do a job perfectly. See, in the last class, in third class, we learned how to make pots with clay. We just use our hands and fingers. Did the pot come out perfectly? No, no, when compared to the potter's pot, our pot was not that perfect and it was difficult for us to make it. Because the potter has the skills to do the pots perfectly, he does it well. So once again, what is the meaning of the word skills? What is the meaning of the word skill? Tell me. Skill is the ability to do a job perfectly. Right? So here let us observe these people here. They are doing. We see this person here on the wooden planks. Okay, he is making mark. To cut the wood, he uses the tools like saw. A saw is a tool used by a carpenter to cut the wood. Apart from these, they also use hammers, nails to make the wooden furniture like doors, windows, and tables, and many other wooden work. Right? So he is a carpenter. You can see he is a carpenter. He is busy doing his work. Right, students? And we all use the goods made by him. Right? So a carpenter is important for us because he is the person who makes the doors. All our houses have doors, furniture, dining tables made out of wood. So a carpenter is important to us because he provides this service. He helps us with all these products. Right, students? Now let us move to the next person here. Right? You can see here in this picture, okay, we see a electrician. Okay, electrician is the person who fixes the switchboards, the wires, the fuse in our house. His job is also very important. His work helps us with many things in our house. Our TVs, fridges, all the electrical gadgets that we use, they need the power. So whenever there is a long power cut also, we call the electrician to fix things. So even the electrician is also important to us. Right? So he is the carpenter, he is electrician. Now look at this person. Right? Who is this person? What is he making? He is making pots on the potter's wheel. A potter uses clay, water, potter's wheel to shape the pot. Right? So we use these pots to store things like water, pickles, food grains, and also on various occasions like festivals and marriages. Pottery is also important for us. Right? Now let's move to the. Here we see a person fixing the pipes under the sink. All of you know what is a sink. In your kitchen, in your house, you have the sink. So if the pipes are leaking, if the water pipes are leaking, or the shower in the toilets, okay, in the bathrooms, in order to fix them or repair them, we need the plumber. He is the plumber. You can see him fixing the pipes under the sink. Even the work of a plumber is important for us. He helps the society with his service. Right, students? Next, all of us wear beautiful clothes, different clothes. Some of us buy these from the shop, they are ready made, and some we go to the tailor and get them stitched. So, who stitches our clothes? A tailor stitches our clothes. Tailor is very important for us because they stitch the clothes and we are able to wear these beautiful clothes. Clothes cover our body protect our body from heat, cold, right? So can we imagine, like, without the help of tailor, can we just paste the clothes on our body with fevicol or anything? It looks very odd. Just to imagine also, it sounds dangerous. So the work of a tailor is very, very important to us. A tailor helps us by stitching the clothes we want and keeps them ready. Right, students? And the next person here in the left, we have a lady standing with the we we have the lady with a cap on the head. She is an architect. She is an architect. The job of an architect is to design buildings. Before a building is built, the architect draws the design of the building on the draft board, on the sheets of paper, using a ruler, pencils, compass, right? The architect plans the design of the house and they show us. Right, students? So even an architect is also important for us. So now the next person whom we are going to learn about is a cobbler. A cobbler. Imagine, students, it's a hot summer day and you are walking in the street without any footwear. Do you think it feels good or will it hurt your feet? Yes, walking without footwear when it is very hot, okay, it causes problem to our feet. Our feet gets hurt, okay, they get hurt and they get burnt. Sometimes if we don't wear the footwear, our feet might get pricked with a thorn also, even a thorn. So without footwear also we can't adjust. So we need the help of a cobbler. We need the service of a cobbler who mends the shoes, who makes the footwear and repairs them. What are the tools that a cobbler uses? A cobbler uses a needle, thread, hammer, nails, glue and shoes. Okay, to mend our shoes. Right, students? Now open your workbook to page number 7. In workbook page number 7, you have a worksheet 2.1 and very easily you can finish off this first matching. So I will read it and you answer it. Match the problems with the people who can solve them. To your left side, you have the problems. To the right side, we have the people who can solve these problems. You have to match the problem with the person who can solve it. Very easy, students. Just draw the lines starting from the black dot to the person, from the problem to the person. Very easy. Right? I'll do one for you, remaining you do it. Right? So here we go. Water is leaking from the toilet. Water is leaking from the toilet. That's a big problem. The floor gets dirty and people might trip over the water or slip in the water and fall down. So we call a person to fix the pipes in the toilet. So which person can help? You read the names of the people in the right. Architect can fix this, plumber, electrician or a carpenter. Yes, you are right. If there are any pipes leaking in the toilet or under the sink or to fix any water pipes or taps, we need the help of a plumber. So we are going to match draw a line from this dot to this dot. Like this you have to complete, okay, draw lines from here to here to the right answer. Right students, I know that. The next question is, what does a cobbler do? A cobbler mends our shoes. Okay, they make our shoes and they even repair them. How is the job of a cobbler important for us? We discussed now how the cobbler is important for us. Without cobbler, how it would be. So you write about it. Cobbler is the job of a cobbler is important because of his footwear only we are able to walk comfortably on the streets and everywhere, right? And you can add up your own points also here. You can write point wise. The third question, do you think the jobs of an electrician and a potter are equally important? Give reasons for your answer. So students, if I ask you, who is more important, an electrician or a potter, whom will you decide is more important? The help, the service of an electrician and even the service of a potter are equally important. If we want to fix the wires or if there is a long power cut, then we call the electrician. We also need the potter for the pots that he or she makes. These pots we use to store water, especially in summer season we like to drink the pot water. Pots are also used to store food items, to grow plants in them as decorative material in our houses. Pots are also used on various occasions. So even a pottery is also equally important. So in this case, what are you going to write? Your answer, how would it be? First point, you'll write both the electrician and a potter. Okay, both an electrician and a potter are equally important because an electrician helps us to fix the wires, the switchboards, and if there is a power cut, he'll come and solve the problem. And even the second point, even a potter is also equally important because he makes pots for us which we use for various needs. Right students? So these are the answers in the workbook. Now let's watch this video, right? So different people do different jobs, various jobs. A carpenter does wooden furniture. An architect plans the buildings before they are built. A potter makes the pots which we use. An electrician fixes the wires and switchboards. A cobbler mends our shoes. Right? A plumber fixes the water pipes, the sinks and the showers in the toilets. Right? Various people. Okay, they do different jobs. We need the help. Let us learn the keywords. Design. Design is to create plans or drawings that show how something will be made. Right? Design means to create plans or to create drawings that show how something will be made. The next keyword is skill. Skill means to be able to do something well. Right? So answer the questions which are in your content book in page number 15 and 11. Okay, in page number 11 you have 3 questions. Okay, and in page number 15 also the first 3 questions you can answer. Write in good handwriting, follow the rules of writing, capital letter at the beginning of a sentence and full stop at the end of a sentence. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.